Hey guys, got an exciting package today from Quadratec and couldn't wait to open it. As someone who usually impulse buys the small stuff I want, I'm not the easiest to shop for. So when my sister sent me the Quadratec flashlight holder along with their flashlight, I was super excited. In the box, everything is packaged pretty simply. The Quadratec LED flashlight is made from high-strength aluminum with a durable black anodized finish. The bottom even includes a compass. It's powered by 3 D-cell batteries, not included, and has a dimmable LED with adjustable beam pattern. A good size, this flashlight is rated for 100,000 hours. The mounts are made from lightweight plastic, are branded, and include all necessary hardware. Installation is super simple for these mounts. Take one of the brackets and snap it onto the seat slider. It's a pretty tight fit, but it snaps on easily. Push the first one all the way to the front. Test mount the flashlight to get an idea of placement for the second mount, and then snap the second mount into place. Before tightening down, check that the mounts are where you want them. This looks great, so let's grab that hardware. Each mount will need 1 bolt and 1 washer. Hand tighten the bolts, and then, using a 3mm Allen wrench, tighten them down. Now just snap your flashlight into place and you're all set. This looks great, so let's see what that adjustment on the flashlight does. And that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, and thanks Aaron!